Right.
Uh,
You coming?
Well, they didn't seem that bad.
Uh, Look, I just hate internet. Alright, fine. I guess they weren't that bad.
Um,
Shush. Answer it.
Physician, are you there?
Nature.
Not the time. I need your help.
With what?
Well, I have some kind of creature here, and they're saying I'm not Mother Nature.
There are many creatures in the world that have said that. You're not being very specific.
The creature is saying they cannot be defeated.
well,
Yeah, that would be the Daleks. Okay, if Daleks are at your nature reserve, that means... Alright, nature. Me and Lucas are on our way.
You have your boyfriend with you?
Shush.
oh,
What are you giggling about?
I'm just so surprised you didn't see it.
I'm not bothering with you.
Did you not
Yes,
notice
nature.
one?
I have, yes, I have Lucas with me.
Good. I'm gonna need all the help I can get. Just hurry up. These things are targeting my trees, and it's annoying me.
Alright, goodbye for now, nature.
Goodbye.
Lucas, we have a hell of a place to go.
Also, you need to be wearing the same shirt. Look,
Wearing the same shirt. What? Oh, how the...
Yeah.
It's the exact same shade as well.
that's what I'm saying.
Wait a
Also,
minute.
did you
take
not?
one of my shirts?
No, I remember I've had this since the day you found me.
Yeah, you don't change your clothes very much, do you?
Also, I'm quite surprised you didn't see me go from the bathroom to right over there next to your desk in 10 seconds. I mean, even less than that. I don't even know how fast that was. I don't know what happened.
I don't have time for this. Mother Nature is in trouble, and as a Time Lord, it's my job to help her.
Why did you call the doctor?
Relationship problems, that's all I'm saying.
What about Silver?
Silva, at the time we're going, is a bit preoccupied with someone in the Nether Realm.
Missy? The good one?
Ha! You're right. You wish it was Missy. You'll figure it out one day, I'll show you. TARDIS, shush. Alright, ready?
Yep.
Come on then. Ah.
Just leave it alone. No,
Oh, for...
that's not the only thing that's weird.
Now it's just trolling me, I'm telling you. Look at this thing, now it's just trolling me. It's just...
Physician.
What? What? What do you... Oh, my. Now, what might you be? Hello. Terrible. What?
Where'd it go?
It closed itself.
Huh.
It was most definitely an anomaly.
Oh, I know.
A rip in all of time and space. It's ripping a hole in every single universe. That's all the scans I could get. Like nothing else. Wait, we have a mission.
Yeah, Mother Nature.
Let me do the talking. She's a bit...
What the?
What?
That was weird.
You okay, Lucas?
Yeah, above my head. Ow.
Here, I meant to give you this, by the way. Spare TARDIS key.
Thank you.
There's been a lot of instances where I should have had you run. Really? Nature? Thank you.
it
That was not funny.
was.
It's not.
Was too.
So, now we're talking. Hello, Nature.
Ah, physician, you finally made it.
Yes, indeed I did. I have a bit of a problem. Though, there was something...
Yes, I know of what you speak. It's of no worry. It barely comes around and closes in a minute or two.
Alright, I'll investigate that later. So, where are the Daleks?
You don't particularly right behind her.
Okay, that's a... Oh no, it's a cross fleet. These are from the Time War. Do you have any idea how they got here?
I have no idea how they got here. Perhaps a void ship?
They've already used one of those before with the 10th. There's no way they
This
can. What?
Could they have come for the anomaly? Because they don't know the Daleks that you showed me before.
They could have come for the anomaly.
Because, like, why would that be here at the same time they are?
Well, Nature said they come around every once in a while. Correct, Nature?
Yes, they do. Every once in a while, the anomaly comes around, but the Daleks came here randomly in my sleep.
Ah, see, it could have been. It could have been.
Do you have any idea why they're here?
They've said the forest is theirs now, and I won't give it to them.
Just tell me that you're the Queen of Nature.
Queen Mother.
Well, she's the Queen of Nature, and she's known to most of the Time Lords, but she's Mother Nature, she's known to humans.
Oh, okay, now that makes sense. Yeah.
She herself is half Time Lord.
Oh, no shit, Sherlock.
I was really expecting you to make a joke like, where's Father Time and Santa? Because you're a Lucas, so...
I just noticed a minute. I bent my head, but the bruise has gone already.
It has?
Yeah, look.
I can't feel anything, you're right. There's nothing there.
Weird.
Well, I think the best idea for right now would be for you to just stay inside.
Okay. Nice kitchen. Why? Would you like me to make you a pie? Okay.
You are the physician, confirmed. Confirmed. You will be exterminated and the forest will be ours. You seem to think that, but you don't understand which regeneration I am. That is irrelevant. You are the physician. The 15th Doctor's friend. What? I don't even know a 15th Doctor. I never met that regeneration. You are lying. You met him in your first and second incarnation. What are you talking about? My second incarnation was always with Lucas.
He has a point.
Lucas
Yeah?
is a dweller of New York. That is
Oh.
wrong. He's from the TARDIS. He's irrelevant. You will be exterminated, and the Doctor and the Queen will be the only ones that stand in our way. I'm telling you right now, it's absolutely insane. Lucas isn't... What the... How the... Lucas? Lucas?
Yeah?
Come here.
I didn't... What?
What did you just do?
I ain't done nothing. I've been in here the whole time. You know, ask your friend. I've been in here the whole time.
No, you were just...
Ask her. She'll tell you I've been here the whole time.
Nature? He has been. He just went up to explore for a second, but he's been in here the entire time. forget this was a thing. It's a good thing I made you stay inside.
Mm-hmm.
That Lucas I saw was the other you from where the anomaly is from.
No, it could be, yeah. Like they said there was a drone from New York, so do I have super speed in the other Earth?
How would I know? I'm not from the
I-
universe.
To be fair, I didn't see anything, so
No, it was something that caught my eye. Well, nature, the Daleks have been sorted, so I see no reason for us to be here. Indeed, but I have something for you up on the top floor. Something you left last time you were here. Alright, very well. I heard that, Lucas.
heard what?
Your laugh. Now, come on.
Fine, I'm coming.
Now be careful, these aren't technology powered, they're magic powered, so.
How come I'm going faster than you? That was weird.
I don't know. Well, it's definitely here. Yes. Yes, it's right here, in fact. Just,
Yep.
1 second. Aha, so this is what she decided to put in here. I had a feeling she still had this. Oh, don't worry, Lucas. It's just an old tool of mine that I used to have a long time ago.
What, Sonic Whip? Not surprised.
Not exactly.
Oh.
Used to have it a very long time ago.
I'm not surprised. It's rusty.
A bit. It's a bit rusty, but... Alright. You know what, Lucas?
Yeah.
We need somewhere relaxing, don't you think?
Yeah.
Nobody wear minds? I'm thinking
New
one
York?
place. Whoa! What you trying to do?
I don't know.
Weirdo. Goodbye. Okay.
Yeah, be polite. Should.
So,
Born
New
in
York. What are you humming about?
I don't know. It's something I got stuck in my head. I've never heard that before. I've never been in this. Weird. I think I was singing. I don't even know the name of that song. What the heck was that?
Who knows? Lucas.
What? Yes. What the?
Whoa.
What in the name was that?
Now that one I saw. We're going to New York now.
Did you say so?
It's a good thing you recommended it.
Fizzy drink.
Excuse me?
Something. Apparently the 15th Doctor called you, so I don't know. Some memories are leaking through, so.
Interesting. You know, I never taught you how to drive, did I?
Mm-hmm. happened to those Daleks anyway?
You sped through and got them.
Are you sure about that?
I'm sure.
Alright, you got me.
Yes, Lucas, I'm sure it did. Now... Landing. Brilliant.
So you want me to go outside then? What?
Yeah, go on.
Oh.
Not funny.
Yeah.
Oh, what the hell did that, though? I just need to go figure some stuff in the TARDIS. I'll be outside. What did I see when I looked into his eyes? Am I falling in love with Luke? No, no. That's insane. Very funny.
Yeah. We're here anyway.
Well, I thought we should have a little fun, so how about a race?
Yeah, well, if you say so.
Sounds good to me anyway.
In that case, you line up with me, like it's on that right there, okay? You do the countdown.
3, 2, 1, Alonzi. What? Huh? What was that? Hello, Lucifer.